Three. Hi, everyone. It's Craig C., Pioneer Ridge Realty, coming to you today from Whispering Pines, near Slanesville, West Virginia. Got a great new offering, 6 acres. Property comes with a beautiful stream, as you can see pictured over my shoulder here. There's also a well already drilled on the property with a nice flat site overlooking this beautiful hollow with the water. The well is it's 250 feet deep, produces 80 gallons per minute, so plenty of water. It also comes with a 3-bedroom conventional septic system already installed to the property. So beautiful Whispering Pines, Slanesville, West Virginia. You know, well under an hour to Winchester, Virginia, and under 2 hours to anywhere in DC. Perfect spot for a weekend retreat or a permanent home. So give me a call today. I'd love to come out and show you this great property. 304-813-1092. Thanks.